Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Namaz for Men. Let us move to the lesson. And before starting the lesson, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it for latest videos. Now we are going to start. So we read in the last class about the Qiyam position, like how we stand up for the namaz in Qiyam position and what we read in Qiyam position. So after the Takbir Tahrima, we read the Sana, and then after the Sana, which inshallah today we will learn. So you can see whilst remaining standing, recite Ta'awudh and Tasmiyah silently. So this after the Sana we read in the same position by putting our hand under the navel. So we start now. The first is Ta'awudh. Ta'awudh is called A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Right? So I will teach first. You have to repeat after me and remember the rules which are coming in this. So the first one is Hamza. It has a Fatha sign. I already told if any letter has Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, you will not long there. Right now, here is only Fatha on the Hamza. So basically this is Hamza, like if Alif has Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma or Sukun sign, so at that time we call this is Hamza, not Alif. If without these signs Alif comes, that will be Alif, right? So right now here is Hamza. So Hamza has a Fatha, we only say A. So the next is Ain. It has a Dhamma, and after that there is Waw with Sukun sign. So this Waw is Waw Madda. Like this Waw we basically long 1 second. The rule is if Waw comes with Sukun sign on it, and if you find Dhamma on the before letter, so at that time we long there 1 second, or you can say 1 alif, right? So we say A-ru, A-ru. The first Hamza sound A, very easy, and the A sound comes from the bottom of the throat, and after that the Ain sound comes from the middle of the throat. So for reading Namaz and Quran, the pronunciation of Arabic letters should be clear. If you don't know about the makharij, like the articulation points of Arabic letters, so I already made the videos on this. So you can see under this video in the description, I will put the link of makharij. You can watch that makharij videos as well. So the Ain sound comes from the middle of the throat. So we say only Ain sound and we long here. Ru. A'ru. You have to practice with me. A'ru. Look, we are not longing A. We are longing only Ru, and due to Waw Madda. If there is a reason of longing, then you have to long. Otherwise, you don't need to long. And you have to focus what rule is coming. A'ru. After that, there is a Dal with soft sound. So we only say this Dal. As it has a Dhamma, we do not long again. A'udhu, like the soft sound. We do not read hard sound like Zu. That is wrong, because this letter has a soft sound. A'udhu, A'udhu, A'udhu. Look, A, by opening your mouth. A, Ru, Ain sound. A'ru, A'udhu. And after that there is a Ba. It has a Kasra, and this Ba we connect with the Lam, as Lam has a Shadda sign on it. like bil, and then lam has a standing fatha on it. So we long here 1 second, billah, and in the last there is ha, with kasra we say he, and only we say he. And the name of Allah we read in light sound here. I already told to you, if Allah name comes after the kasra, like here is a kasra, like a zair, Allah name is coming after the zair, so we read the name of Allah in light sound. Okay, so we say billahi, bil with the strong voice you have to connect, and then long here 1 second, billahi, billahi. And the next meme has a kasra, we do not long. Noon we connect with the sheen, nash, right? Me nash, me nash, right? We cannot say me nash, that is wrong. You only focus the rules what are coming. Meme only has a kasra, we do not long. Me nash, me nash, me nash. And in the sheen there is a one quality of the sheen which is called tafashi. That's why we are spreading the sound of sheen into our mouth, like the tafashi means spread the sound of sheen into your mouth. That's why we say minash, like shh, that is. This is the quality of this letter. Minash. After that sheen we connect with the ya, as there is the not ya madda, there is ya lean, like ya has a sukun sign on it, and before the ya there is fatha. If before the ya, if there is kasra comes, then that will be ya madda. Right now here is fatha, so what we do? We do not long here. We only read the soft sound as we say shay, shay, minash shay. And then the ta is in green color. We read the heavy sound here, and we long, it has a standing fatha on it, so we say ta, minash shay ta, minash shaytan. And after that noon has a kasra which we connect with the ra. Ra has a green color, so that's why we read ra in heavy sound, as already there is a fatha sign on the ra, nir ra. If fatha sign comes on the ra, at that time we read ra in heavy sound. Remember this. That's why there is a green color in the ra. So we say minash shaytanir, minash shaytanir. So when we connect nir, at that time we do not read ra in heavy sound. When we say ra, at that time you will say ra in heavy sound, right? So how to say? Minash shaytanir, nir, light sound, right? Minash shaytanir, minash shaytanir. And after that ra has a fatha, we only say ra with the heavy sound. And the next jim we connect with the ya. Ya has a sukun sign and there is kasra before the ya. Here is ya madda, we long here. Raji, ra, ra we read in heavy sound. Raji. And meme has only kasra, we do not long again here. We say me. And here is a stop sign. So if we stop, we make the silent this meme. Like we do not read this kasra under the meme. Only we put a sukun sign on the meme then, because there is a stop sign is coming. So we say rajim, rajim, ra, rajim. And now we say one by one word. You have to practice after me. First I will read, then you practice. A'udhu, a'udhu billahi. Make sure here should be he sound, not e sound or not anything else, right? Only he, and he sound comes from the bottom of the throat. So we say again, billahi, billahi, minash shaytanir, minash. Okay, make sure to spread the sound of sheen into your mouth. من الشيطان من الشيطان الرجيم رجيم. Now I say all together. First I will say, then you will try. All together now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. And now we start the tasmiyah. Tasmiyah is called Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And how to say this? So we practice now. The first you can see there is ba with kasra, and that we connect with the sin. So we say bis. In the sin, the air will continue like bis. This is the quality of sin. So we say bis, bis. And then meme has a kasra which we connect with the name of Allah. So we say bismil, bismil. Similarly, lam has a standing fatha, we long la. And then ha we connect with the ra again, but still we read ra in light sound when we connect, because when ra comes with fatha sign, at that time ra will be bold. Right now we are not reading ra with fatha, only we are connecting. So when we connect, ra will be light. So we say again, Bismillahir, Bismillahir. Now we read ra with fatha, and which we connect with the ha. Here will be ra in heavy sound, rah, rah. Then meme has a standing fatha, we long also here, rahma, rahma. Okay, the ha sound make sure to read correctly. Like in the ha, you will make hums. If you don't know about the qualities of Arabic letters, I will also put a link of Sifaat, like the qualities of Arabic letters, in the description. So please, you have to watch there, and maybe you will see the link of Sifaat on the right side of the top of this video. So with the eye icon, so you can watch the Sifaat, which is a very important makharij and Sifaat. I also made the videos on it. So please watch and correct your pronunciation of Arabic letters. So we say again, Rahmanir, Rahmanir, Rahmanir. And ra has fatha, we read heavy sound, ra. And then ha we connect with the ya. This is again ya madda. Ya has a sukun sign. Before the ya there is ha. We say Rahi, Rahi, and ha sound should be clear, keep in mind. And the last letter again, meme, it has a kasra. If we read together, so we say Rahimi. And because there is a stop sign, that's why we do not read this kasra under the meme. We only put a sukun sign on the meme, and then we say Rahim, Rahim. And now we say one by one. You have to practice with me. Bismillahir, Bismillahir, Rahmanir, Rahmanir, Rahim, Rahim. Now I say all together. You should repeat after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is today's lesson. I hope you understand about ta'awudh and tasmiyah. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video in the comment section. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like this video, so click on the like button, and you have to comment on this video if you have any kind of question. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. And inshallah, see you in the next class. Have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.